guys, Chef LeBron here. Today we are going to make Korean egg boiled in soy sauce, which means 달걀장조림, and it's one of my favorites. Let's begin.
Fill your pot with 5 cups of water, set it to high. Now we're going to use 1.5 cups of dark soy sauce and a little bit of light soy sauce. Add 1 cup of brown sugar and allow the sugar to dissolve. These are 8 hard-boiled eggs. 7 hard-boiled eggs. We're gonna add in all of the vegetables. So we got 5 serrano chili peppers whole, 2 sliced. There's about 12 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 cup of green onion, and about a 1/4 cup of white onion. Put all that in there. And now we're gonna just let this steep. We're gonna take this off the heat. It's been about 3 minutes, and we're gonna let this cool down so we can start to eat it. The soy sauce and water have reduced down quite a bit, and when I tasted it, it was a little salty, so I'm gonna add in another cup of water.
Oh, look at that. Beautifully done. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm gonna eat with rice. It's perfect. Pepper. I knew some soy sauce goes with it. What I do is I mix up with the rice like this. This is called food porn. This is pretty good. And I have a bite of the eggs.
Yeah.
And the whole rice. How is it? It's good, isn't it?
It goes really well with the rice.
The soy sauce, you don't have to throw it away. I'm going to keep it, and I can use this for a lot of purposes. I can definitely use that sauce for barbecue. It's really good dipping sauce. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.